over your so throat any court case. We no sniff coke, yeah, but with the any coke chase.
Hold on. Don't I hear lyrics? Money over here, some people. Only for money the dark same have. So what them do? Them chew at any court case, basically them bite out. Him not do coke, him not sniff coke. But guess what? I hear and court them chase. So now I hear lyrics.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the radio to be about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in it from another video for you guys. See, for yes, we're in the mood. We just heard to a bad song from Coyote and Marcus, which is a Demarco this. And the Demarco drop a song like right after I'm done the reaction. He called Dawkness. I think we see the preview up on him Instagram. And you have a bag of man in the back of him with bacon, bun up on the back of him, but you know with bacon. So, but don't think this is the Bumblecoo Bell diss track. I don't think this is a diss track. This is like it's an official music video. You see me say like the man can try to get a hit song right now. You didn't mess with so I go on. I don't not gonna treat it like a diss track. I'm gonna treat it like it's a music video from Demarco. I call it Dawkness. I think it's going to go enough because everybody expect it to be a diss track. But me and you know, we're this long time. No, we know so this is not a diss track. But we can say what I go on then, man. Bad song or not, so I would hit or miss on the thumbnail as usual. You see me I say, if it's not a diss track, you know, I'll put on the thumbnail them, hit or miss. I can say what I go on then, man. If it's a diss track, though, I don't know chopping up. I apologize in advance. Hey! Demarco Dawkness! Subscribe to the channel, people trying to reach 20,000 subscribers. We are like 300 subscribers away. So smash it in the face. Run tune!
All we know are just darkness.
Oh my gosh.
Darkness.
Oh my
And
gosh.
it touch them heartless.
You hear that? All the dog know the people are darkness. All the dog know are darkness. Unity Entertainment Production. Big up yourself. You don't know chop already, you know. Low Dawkness.
Heartless. Yeah. Short man them get with dark like when road appear. Wheel rifle.
Dark say you go to dark and road appear. No say no people off the road. Brand new. I saw them get him on dark. Tar dark. Black like tar. I saw them get the dark back. Go on!
Like when soda wave a bowl of brave. Watch how your tone a raise. Pussy pick on the one a grave. Dog a phone a face. Gun in a hand a stone a wheel.
Lord, I have to calm it down. He must speak lyrics, but I have to calm down in the reaction for no. Much back to the face, Demarco. 4. Listen, that's why pick on the what? One a grave. Talk your talk.
Brave. Watch how your tone a raise. Pussy pick on the one a grave.
Pick your own a grave, but guess what?
Dog a phone a face. Gun in a hand a stone a waist. No cone a change that.
Good in the hand. When the story to them, no Bumblecoo Belt waist. What you talk about? People wanna change the corner at all. Going in the hand, we not start in the waist. Right.
Money over your so throat any court case. We no sniff coke, yeah, but with the any coke chase.
Hold on. Don't I hear lyrics? Money over here, some people. Only for money the dark same have. So what them do? Them chew at any court case, basically them bite out. Him not do coke, him not sniff coke. But guess what? I hear and court them chase. So now I hear lyrics. When I hear the marker right now, talk it up.
Me locate, set them pussy deck a cold place. Barrel rotate pan the spinners and left no time.
Old school gun. The barrel rotate pan the spinners. Blah! Spin the barrel and knock it back in there. Boom! Western. Then he goes to Master what?
Telling me rifle that a pint pan your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry.
You hear that? Anytime them ready, the dog say anytime them ready for dead. The dog have rifle into a pint pan your way, pan your jelly. Wow! Jesus Christ, the mama done sign for you what? What the mama done do?
Telling me rifle that a pint pan your jelly. You know see your mama done sign for your berry.
Your mama done sign. Jesus Christ, no sir! He told me people will say it again in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? This doesn't sound like a war song now. Coming in my car and no name. You just say no regular bad man song this so far. That me get from it. Me could run tune here, man.
Tell them all time no in a no long time.
Big up Walton Park. Big up Walton Park. You see me say people around this. Big up my school again. Now my man high school. Big up all around. So then me and say Maxfield everywhere. Don't know a chap. Run tune.
Time on ready. Them drop location done find them already. Big gun me bust no pipe. That are no special.
You hear that? No look special. No look one pop going to make. What do you want to make one pop because I know the kids don't know this nobody thing there. You know me I say. But dog say anytime we not ready. Listen what the dog say. Me can't think I'm joking.
Them drop location done find them.
The dog done find them already. You drop location but it's too late. In Friday before the location even drop, I saw Demarco bad, brawling. Talk your talk, Demarco.
My ready, big gun me bust no pipe, that no special. Tell a bad man no in a no long talking.
Big gun. What you fully have to say? Big guns. Big guns with your big rifle. I make it. No pipe. No little special. Bad.
From your fuck with crew, you buck your toe. You see you go give away your life, you go below. When them
for them do what, Demarco? Them do what? You buck you go give away your life. Where you give away your life for? You don't know say darkness, the dark say. Like his song name. Darkness. Run John.
Man, they a step you be frightened up, you know. Bullet in the head of your tripe and guts for sure. From the 20.
Bullet in the head of your tripe and guts. Oh my gosh. Him too bad. People, if I like the video right now, if you enjoy the reaction, if I like the video right now, and drop your task down below about the song. You see me I say? Talk your talk, Demarco.
Dentist got to wild time. We bust gun, get girl farm. Fly down, fall.
From which part to which part?
Dentist got to wild.
From where?
Up in no. Bullet in the head of your tripe and guts for sure.
Bullet in the head of your tripe and guts for sure. May your soul rest in peace. But what I say? From which part to wild time in general?
From the 20s got to wild time.
Yeah.
We bust gun, get girl farm.
You heard that? Always remember Anna. Money, girl, and gunshot. Money, girl, and gunshot. I always put money first. More while you can put all gunshot before a girl. Girl go forward once you have money. And girl love bad man. Talk your talk.
Fly down, Falcon to the girl shan. When we step 30 and strong, see where I'm time.
Where is that? The dog speak of Falcon a while ago. But the dog said when he fly down and when do what? Listen.
Fly down, Falcon to the girl shan.
To the girl shan them gone. Him not play with it.
When we step 30 and strong, see where I'm time.
When you step what?
Fly down, Falcon to the girl shan. When we step 30 and strong, see where.
30 plus of them. 30 plus gunman. 30 man strong. Yo, it's an army of bomber clap man, every man strap. What you gonna do when the Marcus Jam come for you?
Anytime you ready, telling me rifle that a pint for your jelly. I can. Anytime that I no special. Tell them I will know I just die.
I never say pull up a song. I never want to hear the chorus again.
It's got to wild time. When we step, you know see your mama done. I'm ready. Them drop bad man no in a no long talking. Shot man them get with dark like when road appear. Wheel the rifle like.
Hold on. We hear that already to them. I don't want to hear the chorus again.
When soda wave to in a waist. No code no change dog money over. Said them pussy they go cold place. But your jelly, you know. Anytime you ready, them drop location down and no long talking.
Mad.
If I'm a king cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
If I'm not king cam, I'm not shoot good at all. Because myself in a king cam visuals, but paper. The Marco just give me a hit song a while ago. I want to think hit or miss. You see me I say. I like the vibes, you know what I mean? You know, when I just don't do a reaction to this and become hype up any song, so it's like, I can't give no full honest opinion right now if the song is a hit or miss. I want you to tell me right now. I'm going to mention so fucking lit. I'm going to agree with me say song a hit. And then I say, so I'm going to go breeze first. You see me I say, I'm play song 2 times differently. Or for half the reaction scene and see what I go on. But I'm not full task them in the comment section right now. Hit or bomb back up, Miss Demarco, Dawkness, official video. Reaction boss gone. People subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 20k subscribers, so you can do it. We can hit it. Alright, wake up on yourself, my God. Peace.